What's going on, guys? Bluetooth Blades here. Well, I've got an unboxing to do. Let's see what we got here. All right, we're going to do this one first, and we're going to use this little guy right here. That was donated to the channel from TRM. It's a Neutron 2 full laser skin tie. So I'm going to be doing most of my unboxing videos with this guy, probably for the end of the year, or until the end of the year. To kind of, showcase it a little bit, pay TRM back a little bit for letting me use it, or letting me have it for the channel. Very nice TRM. Okay. So let me make sure there's not any pertinent information in here for me. Anything else in there? No, not that I see. Stickers or anything. Nope. Okay. There is information on this, though. I don't want anybody to see. All right, what do we have here? Of course, Spyderco. I do like the Spyderco knives. And what do we have? It's the Manix 2 wide firing Rex 45. All right. I got the Stormtrooper edition with the black blade. Man, this is one of my favorite knives of all time. Is the Manix 2. Is it sharp? Yeah, see, the other one was kind of dull. This one's fairly sharp, seems like. A little stiff. Let's see, what did it say in here? The edge is a ghost. Pretty cool. This little card right here just says that it's not stainless. And you got paperwork in here with it. Oh, and a book too. Let's see. So you guys can pause this and read it if you like. I don't know if you can see it with the glare. But that's that. Nothing on the back. And then along with the sticker was this. Information, warranty, and guide. Kind of cool. Care and maintenance and all that stuff. Design evolution. Pretty neat. All right. If I can get this in here without tearing anything up. Get over there. Get this out of the way. Let's cut something and see what it looks like. See just how sharp it is, and if it has a burr. Ooh, no burr on this guy. Wow. Yeah, pull it right, dum-dum. Yes. She's sharp. A little stiff yet, but she's sharp. That one I might get some original goat scales for it or something. Keep this out because I have another unboxing I've got to do. This one I'm kind of excited about. This is just a quick unboxing and overview. Yeah, I said I had the other Manix 2. Where'd it go? There it is. I mean the other, Manix 2 and Rex 45. This one, I just stole the blade out of it and put it in. I think this is not original goat. I can't remember which one which one this guy came from. But this is the Black Rex 45, and this is the can't remember, the not Black Rex 45. So got little scratches on the blade right there. When I sharpened it, I slipped off with my diamonds, my diamond stones, my Veneve diamond stones, and that is DLC. The diamonds will scratch the crap out of it. All right, let's see what we got next. Right. I'm just going to open it over here because it has my information on it, and don't really want to share that. All right. G. It is from Blade HQ. You'll be able to tell by the blue box. We have another Spyderco, really. Cool. This one, I got a little sticker. How about that? Oh, 2.5-cent sticker for a nice purchase. This one is one that I don't have yet. Well, I do now, but this one is it's made from Taiwan, Sage 5 G10 Rex 121. It's fairly heavy knife. A little bit smaller than I anticipated, but we'll see what we got here. Sorry, get excited. What does this one say? Reliable, high performance. This one auto said the Ghost is an edge. Okay, this is still got the paperwork in there, a card that says that it is not stain resistant. It's not stainless. Spyderco Rex 121, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, she feels pretty sharp. Let's put this stuff here up. Get this out of the way. We just quick. This has got the top liner lock deal. Yeah. Let's see how it does on paper. It's supposed to be the hardest blade steel known to man. One that holds or not hardest, but holds the best edge retention. Yeah, boy. She'll do it. Yep. Nice. These two I probably won't have to. What am I doing? Oh, wow. Pretty falsetty. Got the wire clip. Both of these have the wire clip. And the blade shapes are fairly similar. If you look. Get this out of the way. This stuff here picked up. Hang on a second. Bear with me, guys. You can see that the fairly similar blade shape. This one here is a little bit more pointy. This one here is a little bit more nebby. It does got a pokey blade on it, but this one's really pokey. Pokey. All right, guys. What do you think of these two? Leave a comment down below. Oh, well, since we're into it, got another one. This one is something that I bought from Rochambeau. And we're going to open it right now, too. Just first impressions, quick unboxing. We'll do it off here because it's got the addresses and stuff on it, which I don't want anybody to know about. Personal info and all that happy horse crap. So bear with me. Bear with me or have a bear with me. One of the two. Come on. All right. More cutting. Boy, Rollo, you did a good job taping this puppy up. All right. What have we got here? As well. Well, it's nice of him to put everything on, all the information and stuff on the bottom. All right. Well, what did I? Some of you guys already know. It's a bidding war. And there we go, guys. Fairly heavy. Put these here. Get out of the way. This is the Aurora Rays Gray Titanium M390 blade. There's the FM 23002-A. Let's see what we got. I like that Fairmonster. Look at this, the box has got the Fairmonster on it as well. So this Fairmonster here. Is it the magnetic? No. Money shot. Ooh. Sorry. It's got the card in there. You don't need that. Got another card in there. Oh, it's got the badge, the patch thing, little instructions guide. And let's check this guy here out. Let's see what we got. We got a little cleaning cloth there. Ooh, nice case, nice felt. Get it up here so you guys can see it. Okay. And besides this will be picked whether or not I keep it or I catch and release. This guy is nice. About the same size as the PN2. Oh yeah, it comes out pretty good. Got the hand rub satin blade. Got a little harpoon deal. Got nice access for the thumb. And these are just first impressions. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty. It fits in my hand pretty good. Full size knife. Good. Is it sharp? Let's find out. You might have to strop this one. Yeah. This one I'm probably going to have to strop or put an edge on. Pokey. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe I just wouldn't hold my mouth right. It probably was though. Yeah, it's tearing it. It's got a good edge on it. It's just not hair popping. But might be able to strop that back to life. But that's the Fairmonster. And let me go get the PN2. Give you guys a comparison here. Okay, that's the Fairmonster. This is my PM2 K390. You can see it's a little bit smaller. That's a tad though. Go pivot to pivot, you can see this just barely smaller. Okay. How about well, we'll do it for this one too. Bigger than that one. Then the TRM Neutron 2. Set that there. Here is the Mannix 2. A little bit bigger. And you can see the Sage 5. You can't never remember what this one's called. Bigger than the Sage 5. Okay, guys, I told y'all that this is going to be a quick little video. And I'll probably end up doing a sharpening or a honing in a review. This one here and all of these maybe. All right, guys, that's it. We will see you guys in the next one. Leave a comment down below of which one of these do you like the best. And that's it. Y'all have a good Sunday.